Hey guys, today we have a 2013 Suzuki sx4, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your taillight bulbs in this car. So first thing, let's pop the trunk, and over here in order to get to the bulbs we have to remove the light. It's very simple, nothing to be scared about. All you have to have is a Phillips screwdriver. Over here we have two screws, 1, 2, and we remove them. Two hands, so remove these two screws, 1 and 2. When you have the screws out, you have to wiggle the tile. You have to pull out towards yourself this light. So find the grabbing point. This is where I found my grabbing point, was on the bottom. Grab it and just pull it to yourself, and the light comes out from these two clips, okay, because these things are holding it down to the side. Okay, so here we have the access to our bulbs now, and in order to remove a bulb, whichever we need, turn signal, brake light, or the reverse light, you're gonna change the according light bulb. So whichever light is out, you just spin it and pull it out like this. So you can see it's very simple. This is a little bit in our way, and to take the bulb off, you just pull it out with your fingers. Make sure it's not hot before you touch it. Same thing here, just pull it, turn signal, put it back in, spin it, change it, 1, 2, 3. Very simple. Same thing with here. Okay, it's a very simple procedure. Once you're done, you can buy a part at the parts store or online, dealer, whatever you feel comfortable with. So after that, when you want to remove when you want to install the light back on, make sure you have these two clips go inside here and here. So this is the most important part here. With two hands it's going to be easier, but we'll figure it out. Okay, once you have it aligned, so you're going to see both holes aligned, you can just tap on it. That's it. See, nice and clean, no gaps, nothing. That's how it should be. So then again, we take our screws we took out from here, put them back in, screw them in, and we're all set. As you can see, it's very simple procedure, and everyone can do this. It's simple, 1, 2, 3, and it's done. So if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.